Time to end my losing streak.
I can't die! At least, not till he does. Where'd I put it? I know it. Put it around here somewhere. There we go. You see, now this is how you're gonna catch the dang old rabbit. You gotta get the gun from the pile. Okay, kids, let's go. Where are you, old friend? I just wanna have a time, have a goof, a gaff, a laugh, maybe get lunch. I want my dog back. I want Charles! I want Charles, man! Give him back! I need him! Hello, sir or madam. Would you like to buy death from a gun? Here it is. I'm coming for you right now. Watch this. I'll tell you a lot. Death comes on tattered wings, bringing the will of the, What the heck? Okay, so I was going to come to your home, and I was going to kill you with this gun that I planned all along, and I was gonna get you for Charles. But you're dead! I can't do that! Why? Oh, you're alive, actually. You tricked me. Okay, so now I'm gonna get you for Charles. For real.
Dude, that was like 2 years ago. Stop living in the past.
I wish I could go back. I wish I could go back. But no, you're gonna die.
You're paying for that.
Come back here, boy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna chase you down to the ends of the earth. Just like I got the government. They're trying to sell us Benadryl through the pipes. I don't want those Benadryls in my pipes. I need them for drinking water and washing clothes.
Time to get out of my house.
And the government's trying to get inside of my Benadryl tree, but I won't let them. They're trying to cook off my radishes and my...
Get away from my car!
Oh, no, radish your government! Charles wouldn't like that too much, would he?
Man, Charles is long gone.
Don't you say that about Charles! You believed in me. Here we go. Some serious firepower. Come here, boy, you... Where are you, my little Charles killer? I don't want no business with you. Come out! Come out, where are you? Come out, where are you? I'm gonna get you Charles, wherever you're hiding.
I'm not hiding. Looks like you and Charles are gonna meet again. In heck.
I want to unkill my dog like I unkilled myself. Whoa! Stop! Yo, what's up, guys? It's the Vlog Brothers here. Ah! So now I'm gonna get you for Charles, for real. It's time to die. It's time to go back to the great big.